I'm in Liège, Belgium for the first time, and I'm here to speak at the Numeration 2023 conference. I gotta get the slides ready for my talk, so it's some stuff I'm reusing from old talks, but there's a whole bunch of stuff that is new for this paper, so I can't really go out in the city. So tomorrow I gotta give my talk and head south of the city to the university. I'm trying to get to the university, and this is the third #1 bus that's gone by, and this is the fourth literally right after. And I'm trying to get the 48, but I've had to wait like 30 or 40 minutes sometimes for the bus. It's just absolutely crazy here. I have no idea what's going on. I'm on the university campus now, and my talk is in 15 minutes. By my standards, this is like super early, but I don't really have any room to complain, so I'm not going to say when it is. And I was really worried that the bus was going to actually show up on time and I could even get here because it was already so late. So I got to go kind of wake myself up and give my talk now. I finished my talk, and I'm honestly a little too tired now to understand the other talks. I did give it a try, but it just was kind of not working so well, so I'm gonna take a nap. I didn't get the chance to say, like, the campus here, it's very, very green. There's a couple cool things here, so I'm gonna go take a bus back to my hotel room, sleep for a bit, and then go check out and see what the vibe of the city is. I was able to get in at least a little bit of a nap, and I'm gonna be going around the city with someone from the conference, so I'm staying on this like main street here. So here's Ilaria. So Ilaria just got her math PhD from ETH Zurich, which is one of the best universities in the world. So we're gonna go around because we've both been exploring the city for a few years, and we haven't really been having the best experience so far. There's a couple points we
are just gonna try to give you the feedback of the city from, of course, our point of view.
The public transportation is like United States level bad, and so
that's true. Like, we waited for like 30 minutes the bus to go to the university, and as far as I know, there is just a bus system. There is no tram, no metro.
Yeah. I think it's one day of the week, but there's all this trash on the street, like tons and tons and tons of trash everywhere.
Yeah, it is very uncomfortable to walk around because the streets smell pretty bad, right? Yeah. So that day it's better to stay home.
Well, you also had these issues with like drug dealers and stuff, like maybe.
Yeah, I mean it's not an issue. I'm not judging it, but yeah, you can. It's pretty clear what they are doing. I mean, like every 10 meters or so, there is someone standing up there with obvious things in their hands. So yeah, that's something. I mean, I was a bit worried about walking alone, like in the evening.
Generally, like, everything is closing like ridiculously early, and I mean, I would say that's a general problem with Western Europe, but it's kind of like I don't know, when you get here and it's like really early, none of the shops are open, and then all these sketchy people are coming out just harassing you all the time, and it's not even that late, it's still really light out.
Yeah, it contributes to the problem, yes. Yeah. I'm looking very snob by saying this.
Oh, I think you are, yeah. Oh, we just decided to review the footage, and Ilaria is really worried that she's gonna look like some Scrooge McDuck fancy cat.
Some people probably are going to insult me. I hope not, but yeah.
Oh, they probably will. That's just how
it is.
Okay, so we decided, since we've just been ragging on the city, we're gonna actually ask people what are nice things.
No film.
Yeah. It can be tricky, like, you never know.
Tricky.
Yeah.
People are not inspired by me, probably by my face.
Because you're so bourgeois.
I am bourgeois.
Yeah. Oui.
But I'm not gonna give up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try again. Film you?
Oh, no.
Okay, that's fine.
Third time's the charm.
This video should be titled Ilaria failing in doing interviews, right? So we decided to give a guy some sense, and we are going to ask him some questions. So
we're paying for the interview.
That's my effort for this. Puis-je demander une chose? Monsieur?
Merci.
Okay. Ciao.
So.
Yeah. On lieu, on magasin.
sais pas.
Que vous recommande de voir?
Je sais pas, le carré, Liège, c'est Liège.
C'est Liège.
Voilà, ça
C'est Liège.
reste. Merci, au revoir.
Merci.
Merci. What did he say?
He said Liège, chez Liège. Liège, it's Liège.
Oh,
That's this.
no information.
No information. No.
Yeah.
You from Belgium?
No.
Okay.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
From Germany, what?
Oh, cool.
We would like to ask you if you have some recommendation.
What's like the
Something
best
to
thing
see.
about Liège? What would make someone really like the city?
Oh, sorry, no idea. It's
No
very
idea.
far for me, so I have no preference.
No
Yeah,
preference.
for friends.
Thank you. That's weird.
Smell? What? You like the
Yeah,
smell?
the gaff, the waffles,
Okay.
very very good.
I remember you complaining about the smell on Tuesday.
Yeah.
But this is a good smell for Ilaria at least.
Yes, it is. It's like battery. Quelle est une chose que vous aimez à propos de Liège?
La vie et les gens sont conviviales.
La ville c'est belle.
Oui.
La ville c'est belle. Okay.
What is he like?
The city is beautiful.
Ah,
according
so
to
it's
him.
beautiful. I see.
Beautiful city.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Merci beaucoup. Is that right? Right.
Merci.
Merci.
Au revoir.
There is a really good bar called the Warzone,
Mhm.
and it's little sci-fi
Pop culture.
pop culture bar
Uh-huh,
with free arcade board
Mhm.
Okay.
and good drinks.
Okay.
Yeah, cheap.
Cheap is good.
C'est des cafés, bar.
Ah, okay.
C'est vraiment un quartier festif à crever qui est ouvert toute la nuit, tout le temps.
Okay, so the cafes, the pubs, they are very typical from here.
C'est ça.
Merci.
Avec
Merci
plaisir.
beaucoup.
Passez une excellente journée.
So,
So everyone is suggesting us either a cafe or a bar, a pub.
yeah.
Do you like the city?
Oui. Voilà la fête de la bière. Festival.
Ah, la
bière.
fête de la bière, the beer festival.
Oh, there's a beer festival coming?
yeah,
Oh,
you
nice.
can go there. Yeah.
C'est très
Okay.
bien.
Très bien.
Okay, merci.
Merci beaucoup. Bon voyage.
Okay, we found Warzone right over here. And with this place, is this gonna... Where did Ilaria go? There she is. Would Warzone make you want to come to Liège?
Yeah, I mean it looks like a normal pub where you can have a drink and chill out, right?
Yeah. Oh, I see something much better. I see kitty cat up ahead. We gotta go very slowly. Very, very slowly. Oh, kitty kitty. Kitty cat.
You are the cat whisperer.
I don't have any food. I would bring it like in Ukraine or somewhere, but... Okay, somehow this cat is way more interesting than the bar. What do you think about this guy?
You see something interesting.
Is he your kind of man?
Is this a man?
No, you're not. I think you're kind of man, but I guess we should also ask if he's a man too.
Who knows?
Do you want to try yourself?
Okay, now I'm filming myself. How can I switch the camera?
Oh, you just turn it around like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Not hard, right?
The beer festival is up there, but there is music, which unfortunately kills
Yeah.
YouTube to have any
Apparently it
copyright.
is a problem.
So maybe we can just take a look and voice over, put some music over.
Yes.
The atmosphere, when you pass through the streets, a lot of people are partying and so on. Also, there are still nice monuments in the center.
Cathedral?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello, man. Oh my God. So someone from the math conference.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so we're being really stupid and like actually I met him at the conference.
Yeah, we
like
met.
yeah, just treating okay, that makes yeah. So I guess maybe we count that as a fail. Yeah. So cooling off a bit, I got my jacket, so we're gonna just get some sort of burger
Yes.
place thing
We're
to
gonna
eat.
try because here they are supposed to be really good into making hamburgers and so on. So we're going to try.
We have our burgers. So let's see. Did you try yours
Mine
yet?
is a lamb burger made with black bread and sweet potatoes fries. Tuk.
Yeah. Maybe we'll could see the a little better here, and then this is a pretty relatively plain burger because I'm much less adventurous with food. So we can try it.
I don't know where to start actually.
We'll see what happens. Good?
A bit dry, I would say.
Yeah, it's true. The bread is crackling a little bit. So.
But overall good. I like lamb meat.
So that's it for now. I am tired. The whole conference has been great but exhausting. Yeah, I don't know. I think with Liège, it was definitely was much worse here on Monday and Tuesday, and the atmosphere and vibe is actually just way better now on a Thursday. So I got this kind of, when we're asking people like what were the best things about Liège, people just were saying kind of like Liège or a coffee shop or a bar or something like that. So I don't know, I was kind of surprised at the lack of like sort of monuments or touristic things people were mentioning, but anyways, I don't know, I think there's some more stuff to discover here. I hope they get the buses working and all that, but that's it for now. I'm going to go to Brussels tomorrow, so like, comment, subscribe, share the post, all this type of stuff, and hopefully I'll get some interesting video from the capital of Belgium.